Alright, trig class, so as the this homework set, this 9-3 homework set goes on, they're going to take away the triangles. You can't see if there is an obtuse angle or anything like that. You just have to kind of draw the picture and understand that there could be an obtuse angle, and you've got to avoid like the lost signs in that situation. So what we want to do here is just draw, again, it doesn't have to be to scale. The ones that we've seen so far have typically been accurate, like the angles, if they're obtuse, being obtuse. But I'm going to draw this as angle C, and this is 50 degrees. That means this over here is side C. All right, and then I can just arbitrarily make this angle A or B. All right, when I do, again, this side that's opposite the angle is little a, so this is the 5, and this is opposite angle B, so this is little b, which is 6. All right, so again, it's not to scale. It's just a sketch to help you draw, or help you solve the triangle so you can see what kind of triangle you have. So this is a side angle side. So we talked about it before. The first thing I want to do is find side length C. Right? Once I found side length C, I want to find the angle that's opposite the smaller of these two. Right? Remember, the smaller of these two is guaranteed to be acute. Right? I'm going to use the law of sines to find angle A, and then ultimately I'll find angle B, the last one, with the 180 rule. Okay, but with SAS we always start with the side length opposite the angle that I'm given. So there's the law of sines for C squared, for side length C. So we just plug everything that we know in and we solve for C squared. Now, because this is 50 degrees, it's not like 30 degrees or 45 or 60 or something. It's a non-special angle. I'm just going to type all this into my calculator directly, making sure I'm in degree mode. Okay, make sure you're in degree mode before you start this. All right, and all of that is C squared. Okay, that's C squared. So all that stuff we had is C squared. So I need to take the square root of this. So I'm just going to do second x squared square root of the second. If you look above the negative button, it says A and S, second answer. The square root of the answer is about 4.74. So that's C. So 2 decimal places. All right, so now I have an angle and its opposite side length. So that allows me to use the law of sines for other angles or side lengths. And again, if there is an obtuse angle, it's going to be angle B, because that 6 is the biggest side length. So I do not want to use the law of sines there. I want to use the law of sines here, the middle one, because that's guaranteed to be acute. So there's the sine, law of sines set up. Multiply this 5 over, and then finally inverse sine. So there's 53.91 roughly. And so now I can solve for angle B with the 180 rule. So that's 76.09 roughly. All right, and there's all 3 sides, all 3 angles. So that means we've solved it.